Welcome to the second video. It's about reproduction. Look at question number 1. Read carefully. You have 2 minutes to do. It's time to discuss the answers. Development is a process of change that accompanies growth towards the level of maturity of living things. Development is defined as a process towards maturity when the psychological function of the body's organs have become more complex and perfect. Statement 1 is true because it includes the development process. Same with statement 1, statement 2 is true. Statement 3 is true because it includes the development process, but statement 4 is wrong. It includes the development process, but there are differences between male and female development process. How about the answer? So, the answer is A. It's time to do number 2. Read the question carefully. Draw a line on the development of living things and visible changes. It's time to discuss the answers. The development on male are wet dreams, chest look broad, grow mustache and beard, grow Adam's apple, and enlarge on genital organ, and the sound is louder. How about the development on female? First, get menstruation, 2. Enlarge on breast and hip. Both of them grow fine hair in certain parts of body. Now look at question number 3. Compare between vegetative and generative. You have 2 minutes to do. It's time to discuss the answers. The similarity is both of them produce new individual. How about the differences? On vegetative, it involves only one parent. And then without fertilization, and new individual characteristic is same with parent. How about the generative? It involves 2 parents with fertilization and new individual characteristic is mixed from 2 parents. It's time to do number 4. Compare fertilization and pollination. You have 2 minutes to do. It's time to discuss the answer. We start from the similarity. Both of them happen on sexual reproduction or generative. And then for the differences, on pollination, it takes place before fertilization, occurs only in flowering plant, and is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. How about fertilization? It occurs after pollination. It happens on plant, animal, and human, and it is the fuses of pollen grains nucleus and ovule nucleus inside the ovary.